Customer, finally, you're here. I've been waiting for my pizza for over an hour. What took you so long, pizza boy? I'm really sorry, sir. We had a lot of orders tonight, and the traffic was terrible. Here's your pizza, customer. I don't care about your excuses, I just want my food. And why is the box so cold? Did you deliver it on foot, pizza boy? No, the oven was just acting up, and we had to rush it. It should still be hot, I promise, customer. All right, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt this time. Let me check the pizza, pizza boy, please, go ahead. I hope everything is okay, customer. This doesn't look right. The toppings are all messed up, and the cheese looks weird. Pizza boy, I assure you, I made it exactly as you ordered. Maybe the delivery was rough, but it should taste fine, customer, fine. I paid for perfection, not some messed up pie. And why does it smell strange, pizza boy? I must have mixed up the toppings accidentally. My bad. As for the smell, maybe it's a new spice we used, customer, new spice. I've ordered from here countless times and never had any issues. Something's off, pizza boy. Look, I can get you a new pizza. I'll make sure it's perfect. Just give me a moment, customer. No, I've had enough. I want a refund. This is unacceptable, pizza boy. I can't do that, sir. I need this job. Please, give me another chance. Customer, all right, but this is your last chance. I won't report this, but I better get my money back, pizza boy. Thank you so much. I promise I'll get it right next time. As the customer hands back the pizza boy hurriedly leaves, anxiety still coursing through him. Little did they know that something sinister was afoot at the pizza place, and this was only the beginning of a chilling tale.